Hello, John here, making a quick video about the mtvr, the 7-ton. And I just wanted to let other owners know that I found something weird. I was just looking around, checking the truck, happened to be looking down underneath the rear of the truck, and I saw an electrical connector that looked kind of weird. And I touched it and it fell apart. Those are the pieces down there of the electrical connector. And the connector is up here. You can see that it all kind of fell apart. And so the wires are just sitting there. You can see they're soldered onto a couple of pins and they go into this connector. I've never seen a connector fall apart like that before. And so you might want to check. This is the rear transfer case, right above the rear transfer case where all the air lines are for the brakes and everything. And there's a connector sitting here that now is just exposed to the air and water and everything else, all the elements. You just might want to check that connector and make sure that it's still in good shape. Mine completely fell apart when I touched it. So just a quick note about that. I hope all your connectors are in good shape.